Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter with ice. First, gather your ingredients and tools. 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, a large mixing bowl, and a whisk or electric mixer. Make sure your cream is chilled to about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, have a bowl of ice water ready. This will be crucial later for washing the butter. This simple method yields delicious homemade butter quickly. Now pour your cold, heavy cream into the large mixing bowl. Start whisking vigorously, either by hand or with an electric mixer. You'll notice the cream first transform into soft peaks, then stiff whipped cream. Don't stop there. Keep mixing. The cream will eventually separate into solid butterfat and liquid buttermilk. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes with an electric mixer. Once the butterfat has separated, carefully drain the liquid buttermilk into a separate container. You can save this for baking. Now, transfer your butter solids into the bowl of ice water. Gently knead the butter while it's submerged. This step is vital for washing away any remaining buttermilk, which helps prevent the butter from spoiling quickly. Continue to drain and replace the ice water, kneading each time, until the water remains perfectly clear. After washing, press out any remaining water from your butter. You can use a spatula or your hands for this. If you prefer salted butter, now is the time to mix in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Form your fresh butter into a block or roll it in parchment paper. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for longer storage. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.